Hey, give me that beat. Give me that beat right there.
Come on, baby man.
I want this beat right here. Give me this beat right here.
But it's not fucking. Oh, it's starting. What the fuck is going on, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. And today we are going to be fixing this fucking diff.
We got a bad diff, you know. Show him a little bit. Show him a little shake.
Show them a little.
This diff likes to twerk. That's horrible, nigga.
Alright, we're gonna name this car Miley, bruh. That's it.
Miley, because it likes to twerk or what?
Yeah. I wait.
So first you want to remove the sway bar.
Two step.
And not drop bolts like my guy just does it. Holy fuck. Bro, why this? This is fucking easy.
Yeah, so what we're doing is switching the diff bushings.
Yeah. Oh shit, nigga.
Hey, let's start loosening these up. 14 probably too.
This is the only time you're gonna see Crystal do something, so y'all better
14's.
y'all better fucking
Y'all have a
enjoy
wrench,
this shit.
It's because Isaac's always here and he loves to take the spotlight.
Nigga always be fighting. Let me give y'all a look. Z takeover. Alexa gonna pull up soon. Hey, Snap-on, sponsor us. Damn.
Yeah.
I don't. Hey, make sure y'all come to Arizona's Mufflers. We make sure your car's running right. We burn them out. Make sure it's safe for you.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, well, stay tuned.
Then they just bring. We're talking about.
Alright, so what we doing? What we doing?
Take it off. Oh, Crystal.
Oh, everybody's gonna die. Everyone's gonna die tonight.
It's the sway bar.
I can't get it. Y'all should have
The big bar?
loosened that one before you guys.
What big bar are you talking about?
Where's the breaker bar?
No. The dual.
Every fucking.
The condom?
Turns into a. Are you sure you got that right now? There you go. Yes, nigga. Stop asking us that. That's probably the dumbest question ever.
Oh, wait, let's talk about the Wait, where's that ring?
So right now we're taking the sway bar off, first step. Then we go ahead and take off the axles.
14 or 14
No, it's still with the sign.
It's on there somewhere. You, nigga, SvperDvperAlex.
SvperDvper.
Official Alex?
Dang it.
Am I super duper?
Z takeover? Z takeover?
Yeah, SvperDvper stick. You want to
He does have a super duper. He does.
And I got a shirt. Only one that bought one for me, faggots.
Yeah, you're fake as shit.
Yeah, you didn't even have my size.
I asked you if you wanted one. You didn't tell me anything, so I didn't get you one.
I just jumped off one like this.
Alright, so the diff is off. Is it diff off? No, huh?
That shit was 99.
Let's get this little montage going. You're like cute as fuck.
I got a whole ass new phone.
Yeah. Fuck.
This is where you
Oh my god, that's so dumb, bro.
Isaac needs a haircut.
Nigga, I told.
Hey, let's try to go fund me for this nigga. This nigga needs a haircut.
I know it was an accent, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, I got him.
Just a rag. Oh, we don't know what that is. It doesn't exist here. Can you?
Oh, you filming?
I'm filming. So what's going on?
Let's drain the diff fluid right now. We got disconnected, connected to the diff. Got the drive shaft disconnected. We just haven't taken it off just yet. Next up, we're gonna take off the top connector.
You just tell me we took out the axle.
That has to do with the ABS. Connects to the diff. This one's fucked over here though, so my ABS light's on. So if your ABS light's on, check for these connectors, cause it might be that.
This is stinks.
Yeah, fucking diff fluid is disgusting, so And you guys drain your diff fluid. Make sure you have a mask on or something because it smells.
Mask off. Fucking mask.
Do you have a... Carlos is down. Let's do all of that today. It depends on how fast you guys finish. How fast.
Uninvited, you catch me and I'm sliding in that all blue, old school, looking like Poseidon. I kept it real from day one, I don't fuck with nobody. And I got some bad bitches waiting for me in the lobby. Ayy, this is my feng shui, real nigga coming through. This is my feng shui, real niggas can't fuck with you. Told the story, told the truth, no it ain't no lying. I'm through with the talking, time to kill them with the silence. Ayy, this my feng shui, shui. 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 Oh, this ain't just shui.
A fucking mess, nigga.
Just like that. That's good. That's fine. That's fine.
Hey, chill!
Nigga.
Turn it off! Joseph, you need to chill, nigga. Joseph, chill. Nigga don't even know. Hey, watch out the fucking wires, too. With the what? With the wires in the back. Nigga doesn't even know what he's burning.
Wait, Mokai, you know what you're doing?
No. Isaac.
Alright, that's fine. You can turn it off. That's all we needed, nigga.
Hey! Joseph!
What do you mean? I didn't even do shit. What the fuck are you talking about?
That's good.
Joseph, stop!
I'm not lying. Fuck you.
How are we gonna... Let's say, any somewhere over there? It's gonna hit over there.
Over where?
On the back side.
Isaac, do your intro quick.
This is SvperDvperAlex.
I think we're good, yeah.
Jackass.
Go back. Let me lift it more. Let me lift it more.
Day one, I don't fuck with nobody. And I got some bad bitches waiting for me in the lobby. Ayy, this is my feng shui, real nigga coming through. This is my feng shui, real niggas can't fuck with you. Told the story, told the truth, no it ain't no lying. I'm through with the talking, time to kill them with the silence. Ayy, this my feng shui, shui. This my feng shui, shui. This my
Oh.
Take off the jack over there.
My Diff doesn't turn on.
Y'all should move your cars.
Isaac, move the jack.
That torch stand.
Move our cars? Let's move our cars, Nick.
SvperDvper signing.
Nah, that's gay. I'm just kidding. Alright, y'all. Well, this was today's vlog. Just another day in SvperDvpers. Another day, another night. Another car, another part. But we picking up out here.
Nice video, mud.
Fuck no, we're not doing your mudguards. You don't help, nigga. How are we supposed to do your mudguards? You don't help.
Is it my car?
Give a fuck.
No. Yeah, nigga, that's what they about to say when they do your mudguards. But yeah. Marmar pulled up in the little booty shorts. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. You hear that nigga, Krista? That shit sounds dope.
Is this the one that you have? Or is this...
Alright then.
No, I think...
We'll catch y'all later. Catch y'all on the next one.
Yeah, Carlos brought the fucking
Peace.
my phone feng shui. Real nigga coming through. This is my feng shui. Real niggas